Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Low Spec Labs. It's been a while. It's been about a month and a half since I made another video. And during that time, things have been pretty hectic for me, life-wise, right? But you know what they say, shit happens, right? We just gotta live with it. Don't let the stink get on you. Don't let it weigh you down or fuck with you too much, right? So over the past month, I've been slowly just, getting some stuff sorted out. I've got those personal life things sorted out, and I figured it was time I focused back on the Turbo FZ project, right? So if you guys got good memories, you'll remember last time, here's what we're doing. All right, so my goal is basically to have two different wiring harnesses because I don't want to mess with the accessories too much. I'm gonna leave the default accessories in there, right? I'm gonna see if I can leave the default stuff for the speedometer. I'm gonna see if I can leave just only focus on the engine system, right? On the ECU system and on the speedometer. So I can actually get stuff sent out. Hopefully with that set up, we'll then be able to control boost on the FZ, right? I'm also gonna see if I can make a video where I'm actually, going out and fixing the leak. I'm gonna splice that in because last time as I was driving around, the turbo manifold cracked and now it's completely broken. Right, I'm gonna take some pictures of that, splice this in. What is that? What is that? That is a giant crack through the whole turbo manifold. Look at that wiggle, right? Coming from the exhaust side. So, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. But exciting stuff's happening, guys. Exciting stuff's happening. We're about to go fast, which is all life's about at this moment right now, You gotta get all the joys you can get out of it, right? And one of the best joys in life is going fast as fuck. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, so quick update. This is the Speeduino mt07. This is the one that's actually gonna be going on the Turbo FZ project, right? And I have it talked to the new Arduino board, right? So that's going good. It still fits like it should. Everything still connects like it should. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this off, right? Take it apart. In the center of the board, you can see these little pins here. I'm hoping my camera can focus on it properly, right? But that's where I'm gonna wire in the Turbo FZ's wiring harness. I'm also gonna see if I can make a Google Drive doc I share to you guys just so you can follow this at home. But this is kind of an advanced do-it-yourself project, right? I'm trying to document everything I do to make it easier for the next person. But good luck out there if you're out there trying to do this too. I wish you the best, man. So on the back, let's get this more in the light here for you guys. Right, so on the back you'll see one pin that's not soldered. It's right about here. Let's see if it'll focus. So on the back right here, you'll see one pin that's not soldered, right? Yeah. And then on the front, you'll see that these pins indeed are not soldered. So what we're gonna do is we are going to trim it down. We're gonna solder these in, right? From there, we're gonna put the Speeduino board together. Find all the capacitors fit inside the Speeduino, right? Or all the capacitors in their proper locations. And then we'll go from there to get this thing programmed. So let's get started. All right, let's see. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's get started here. Let's break this solder free. It's been a minute. Boys, so that took about an hour or so for me to get actually done, right? Here's the finished Speeduino board, right? Probably gonna try to flash it tomorrow. It's about 11 o'clock right now, so I'm about to head to bed. But here it is. I've got those missing resistors soldered in. In my case, it was number C26 and C25. I'm not sure if you can see this on the camera here. They're the ones that are popping out. So that's gonna be this one right here, right? And this one right here had to be replaced. I went over and looked at every solder joint and fixed those. You can kind of see like the cold solder spots on the back of the board, right? I'm gonna see maybe I can clean that up a little bit. But other than that, yeah. So tomorrow's gonna be a journey. We're gonna flash the Speeduino, right? I'm gonna flash this. I'm also gonna flash the NO2C down here, right? We're gonna program them, and then we're gonna see if we can start figuring out the wiring harness shit for the fz07. All right, boys. So I thought I might do this on the computer, you know, actually screen record, but honestly, that's gonna take more time than I'm willing to invest into this, just to show you how this works. So right now I have the Speeduino NO2C plugged into my laptop, right? And I'm using this program called Speedy Loader to basically program the Speeduino, right? And load the firmware onto it. They actually make this pretty simple, right? So what you do is you first go up to the Speeduino wiki.speeduino.com right here, right? /en/installing firmware. Let's see that link again. So wiki.speeduino.com/en/installing firmware. You scroll down and you choose the Speeduino version for your Windows machine, Mac machine, or Linux machine. You plug the Speeduino with the Arduino portion into the board, like so. Right, I've already flashed this one, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop this out. This is the Speeduino V4 board I just finished up last night. We're gonna flash the Speeduino to this one. Right, so now we've got that flash, what we're then gonna do is we're gonna go here, we're gonna click choose port. Right, it says COM3 Arduino Mega. So let's pull that out, click refresh, just to make sure we're getting a clean port. Pop this back in here. We go back to Speeduino, we click refresh. You can see it's on COM4 now. We go ahead and click upload, and then we just wait. All right, and now it's uploading the Speeduino firmware. All right, and that's basically it, man. Like once we get the Speeduino firmware flashed, right, we got to start wiring it. So hold on a sec, guys. All right, this is a long process, guys. So buckle in. We're gonna be making a lot of videos. We're gonna be having a lot of fun. See you guys next week, or see you guys tomorrow. Actually, I'm gonna post this late tonight, and well, see you guys later.